In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a Firebase project. By the end, you'll have a brand new Firebase project, a real-time database set up in test mode for development, and the key details you need to connect to it from your app, including the database URL and a private token you must keep secure. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and signing in with your Google account. On the dashboard, click Add Project to begin. Give your project a clear, memorable name. You can leave the default settings as they are unless you have specific preferences, and you can choose whether or not to enable Google Analytics for this project. Click Create and wait a few moments while Firebase provisions everything behind the scenes. Once your project is ready, look to the left sidebar under the Develop section and select Database. On the next screen, make sure you choose Real-Time Database, not Cloud Firestore. The real-time database is a fast cloud-hosted JSON tree that's great for syncing data in real time. Click Create Database to launch the setup flow. You'll be prompted to choose security rules. For development, select Start in test mode. This makes it very easy to get moving because it temporarily lets anyone read and write. Keep in mind this is not safe for production, so plan to tighten your rules later. After that, pick a location for your database. Choosing a region close to your users can reduce latency. Click Done, and Firebase will create your real-time database. When the database loads, you'll see its URL at the top. It looks something like your projectname.firebase.io.com. This is the address your app uses to talk to the database, so copy it and keep it handy. Next, you'll get your credentials. Click the gear icon for project settings, then open the Service Accounts tab. Find the section labeled Database Secrets. There you'll see a secret token for your project. Copy this token and store it securely. Treat it like a password. Do not share it publicly, don't paste it into screenshots, and don't commit it to source control. If your console layout looks a little different, use the search bar at the top of the Firebase console and search for service accounts to navigate to the same place. That's it. You created a Firebase project, initialized a real-time database in test mode, noted your database URL, and copied your private token. Before you go live, remember to revisit your security rules and lock them down to protect your data. Thanks for watching, and have